loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. I'm going to be showing you all my grocery haul. I'm also going to be cleaning out my fridge and my pantry. So if you are ready for this motivation today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and we are just going to get right into this grocery haul.
Like how this is my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
2 of these almond milks for my daughter. I also got some apple juice for the kids. I got some bananas, some green grapes. We got some romaine blend salad. I have some strawberries. That's a 2-pound thing of strawberries. I also got these mandarin oranges for the kids, some baby carrots, green Granny Smith apples, some assorted chips. I got this pink grapefruit seltzer water. I am loving this lately. I got these chicken breasts. They are individually wrapped, which I really did like. I've never had this kind. Got some shrimp, some ground beef, and some chicken tenderloins. And then moving to this side, I got some chicken nuggets for the kids, some wheat thins, got some Fruit Loops. My kids don't really eat cereal, so we'll see how it goes. Some granola bars. I got spaghetti, some chips. I got a big 5-pound bag of rice. It will last forever. Got some hash browns. I've never bought these before. Some Mio squirt for my water. I got 2 cans of kidney beans, 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes. I got some spaghetti sauce for the spaghetti, of course. I got some biscuits. I got creamer for my coffee. This is caramel macchiato. It's sugar-free. I also got some Torani sugar-free syrup and some Ready Whip for my coffee. Got some strawberry Nutri-Grain bars for the kids. Some of these Nico peanut butter crackers. I think that's how you say it. I also got some Velveeta cheese. 2 things of fruit cups for my daughter. Those are her absolute favorite. I got some sweet potato fries. These are the best sweet potato fries we have ever had. They are so good. I got some twisted breadsticks. These were filled with mozzarella, which I didn't know, but I was pleasantly surprised. 2 things of the brown and served sausages for my son. Some Ritz crackers. Some applesauce pouches for the kids. I also got some Kobe Jack cheese, more Kobe Jack cheese, and then some string cheese. I love this Sargento brand of cheese. It's our favorite. 2 things of instant potatoes just in case I'm feeling really lazy. I got some Go-Gurts for the kids and some of these cheese and dip cracker sticks. The kids have never had them, so we're trying them. And then 2 things of broccoli and cauliflower mix and 2 things of frozen peas. Those are my son's favorite. And now I'm going to just clean out the fridge, remove everything so that I can get rid of anything that is expired or old and needs to be thrown away. Like to clean out the fridge whenever we get groceries. This was not a huge haul. Normally I get so much more than this, and I was actually still waiting on my Costco order to get delivered this day, so I'm just making room for everything that we did have.
We got this.
I will be using this Method anti-bac cleaner to clean out the fridge today.
No, it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you when I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by
I'm just going to put everything back in the fridge really quickly so I can move on to the pantry. Usually when I get these grocery hauls, for some reason the kids are always napping. So I was trying to hurry up and get the groceries put away before they got up, because when they get up, they start begging for food and mommy needs to be free to make them something to eat. I will eventually add bins to my refrigerator. I just haven't found any that I like just yet, but I'm still looking. So when I do, I will make another fridge organization video for you guys so that you can see how I organize it. Now I'm moving on to the pantry. This is how it looks before. Remember, I am not doing a pantry organization. I am simply about to get rid of everything that's old, expired, stuff that we just don't eat, throw it away, and make room for the groceries that I just got.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quietly next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it.
If you're wondering why you see a bunch of Ziploc bags, I do not keep any original packaging for any food that I bring into the home. I get rid of as much as I can and toss it. That way we can kind of see everything that we have before we get some bins to organize, and the kids can kind of see their snacks as well.
Yeah, I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you
I went ahead and finished putting everything in the pantry off camera, and this is how it looks afterwards. I like to put the kids' stuff at the bottom where they can easily reach it.
Some inspiration, never meant to love no one.
And now all there's left to do is to wash all the fruit, and I like to wash it with either some of this fruit and vegetable wash that I buy at the grocery store, or either I will use some distilled white vinegar and water. But since I still had a little of this left, I decided to go ahead and use it to clean the fruit. And then afterwards, I'm going to tidy up the kitchen and we'll be done.
Inside me, love of mine, love me for a while. Love of
How do you all clean your fruit and vegetables? Do you use vinegar, or do you use this fruit and vegetable wash? Do you just simply rinse it under the tap? I would love to know. Also, let me know how you enjoy these types of videos. Like I said, I do not normally do grocery hauls. It's just not really my thing, but I decided to do it because I have been asked a couple of times to do them, and I don't mind doing them every now and then. So just let me know down in the comments what you think.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine, love of mine.
So I like to line my container with some paper towels just to keep the fruit fresh, and I do pre-slice all of the strawberries and fruit for the kids so that they can just go and grab it, or I can just grab some and give it to them quickly, and I don't have to worry about chopping it up at that moment. It's just so much easier to do it this way.
Get for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
I am a little picky. I like to look through the fruit and get rid of anything that does not look good before I put it in, because you know all fruit is not created equal, okay? And I'm not keeping any funny looking fruit in my house.
We went to fuck this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you when I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when you got nothing.
And now for my favorite part, I am finally tidying up the kitchen. This is always a big sigh of relief for me because it takes me hours when I'm really in the groove of sanitizing groceries and putting them away and chopping up and prepping fruit. It takes forever, so I'm always so happy to just clean up at the end so I can go and relax.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you when I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when you got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. There's something I have to say. I love you when I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when you got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this.
If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more content like this, do not forget to leave me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any future uploads. Leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you. I hope that you got some type of motivation from this video that you can take with you today and get some things done around your house. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Keep